些国际的友人们都觉得宾至如归，来了台南呢，像回家一样的放松，让他们对于台南、对于台湾，他们的第一印象呢非常的美好。We also like to take this opportunity to thank our host families again for their great hospitality and made all of our international friends feel like at home in Tainan, in Taiwan. We really appreciate this kind of friendship, this kind of partnership. Thank you again. 我们非常谢谢，透过我们每一届的南宁国际民俗艺术节，所建立起非常珍贵的友谊。好，我们现在的舞台上站满了来自于全世界各地的国际的团队，在我们这次为期9天的2018年南宁国际民俗艺术节，为我们带来最精彩的演出。Ladies and gentlemen, on the stage right now are the outstanding international performing teams joining us for 2018 Nanning International Folklore Festival. Let's give them another big round of applause. 我们再次给他们一个热烈的掌声。局长以及我们的长官代表呢，一一的要致赠感谢状，以及我们的花束以及礼品哦。我们将国际团队呢在台湾的这个演出也特别编辑成了这个数位的影音，要致赠给我们国际的友人。And next player lead of the team would like to present to the appreciation and also we have put your performances into DVDs, into videos, and we're going to give it to all of you. 好，接下来呢，也请市长一一的颁发给我们国际的团队，包括了来自马来西亚的团队，我们欢迎了。